Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some of you seem to be stuck with an update that technically should not, but it's an update that was pushed. It's kind of an upgrade to a known issue. If you guys remember, in January of this year we had an update that was stuck, and a lot of people were going crazy with that update showing up over and over and over again. I did show you how to hide it because it doesn't matter. Unless you're using BitLocker and want to be secure, then you will have to do the procedures to make the Windows recovery partition bigger. But for the rest, it's not needed, really. And for most people, it's useless to have it. Then they issued a second update that fixed the flaw that people were seeing it, because it now looked at, do you have enough space and do you use BitLocker? And, you know, it just went through the phases of, is it required here? And that is what made that disappear from a lot of people that didn't hide it. On Patch Tuesday, this November 2024, if you go and check it out, you might have, and I've had quite a few people say that after 6, 7, 8, 10 tries, it's still gives an error message and doesn't work. It shouldn't technically, because it should do like the last update. Make sure that your elder requirements are there, and if it's not showing up. So it has to do with this famous security update, KB5048239, which has to do with the same problem of the beginning of this year. So some of you still have it stuck, and even though you try, stuck again. So if you are still stuck with this, then I recommend using the show hide update tool. So download it from here. I'm going to share this link. Download at Major Geeks. Click here, download at Major Geeks. It will give you a warning that this file that you download might be dangerous. You just choose to bypass this and keep. It's just because it doesn't know what it is. And you run it. When you run it, you will be shown hide update or show update updates that have been hidden already. So you want to hide an update, and you put a check mark in front of the update KB5048239 that will show up in the list. And then you continue, and this will hide it and will make sure that you don't see it again. It doesn't matter if you hide it, if it's not something that you need. Like I said, unless you use BitLocker, you want to be secure, then you'll have to go through these steps. But for the most part, most people, it doesn't matter. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.